The most rewarding part of my internship has been the mentors and advice that I've received. I think it's going to help me a lot in college and a lot with my future career.
The advice I would give someone considering applying for this internship next year is to really think about what you want to get out of the experience and communicate that, because Wolverine will help tailor the internship to what you want and to what you're hoping to learn.
I've enjoyed attending the lunch and learns and hearing from other leaders in the construction industry.
What I like about my mentor is that he shows how much he cares about my learning and has made sure that I've gotten the full experience to be successful.
My favorite part of the day is when I walk the site and see all the progress and new things that I didn't see the week or even day before.
I've really enjoyed the social events that Wolverine has put on for us, as it has allowed me to connect with my fellow interns.
This internship has made me realize this is the right path for me, and I'm excited for my future in construction management.
I think the most rewarding part of the internship has been the ability to work with as many people as I have and learn from so many people. They all have different knowledges and expertise, but when you put it together, they really create a well-functioning company.
My internship experience has far exceeded my expectations. The people I get to work with and the interactions I have every day make it so much more worthwhile and fun.
Something I've enjoyed about my internship is seeing so many new faces every day and all working to complete the same end goal.
I definitely recommend the construction management internship at Wolverine.
I recommend the Wolverine internship program because it's very rewarding.
There are many reasons why I would recommend the internship program at Wolverine, but the main being because of their one-of-a-kind culture.
I definitely would recommend doing an internship with Wolverine.